Welcome. Today I am with Sharp Aquos TV, and if you want to perform the hard reset of this device, that's very simple. Take a look. At the first, we have to grab our remote control. You can navigate by using these arrows and OK button. So click menu on your remote control. Next, you have to go for the right side and go for the settings. Right now we have to go for setup. Right now we have to scroll down almost all the way down until you find option called Reset TV, and right now we have to input the password. So as default it will be in the 90% of the cases like 4 times 0. Not working in my case, so we can try also very common 4 times 1. As you can see right now, when I pressed 4 times 1, it's working. So yes, I'm sure we have to select yes and go forward. Now we have to be patient and just wait until the reset will be complete, so just wait. Okay, and as you can see, the reset is complete. Right now we got this first setup screen where we can go for the first steps and go forward and forward to set up our device. So yeah, that's all. That's how you can perform the reset of this TV. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.